Hi, this is Ajay Minocha. Welcome to my channel. Kindly like, share and subscribe. Money Speaks with AJ. Lot of talk on Chandrayaan, the success, landed on the moon, and there are so many articles going around on the stocks that will be benefited from this, which stock to buy. Don't buy anything at all. It's overhyped. Yes, the stocks are good, but I would like to watch where they go, wait for the heat to settle. I'll give you the best stocks to buy. Keep a lookout and accumulate on large corrections. Pray for large corrections. We don't know when and how much these can correct. So the names of the stocks are L&T, Bharat Forge. I'll go with Premier Explosives in the mid caps. I think almost a monopoly business for making rocket propellants. Astra Micro is a good stock, but a little overpriced. And I think the best one is MTAR Technologies. So yeah, these are about 5 stocks. That'll do. Bye.